Alright, y'all. We're just gonna go through and go over everything with USA Test Prep. Um, yeah, see what we can do. Make sure we know what we're doing. If we're having any difficulties, and plus I'm going to show you at the end. I'm going to show you this new thing about this dots, how to improve your dots, which is what our assignment for today and the next few days are going to be. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to USA Test Prep. I'm just going to Google USA Test Prep. Okay, I want to Google USA Test Prep. Sure, I can. What do you mean? Member login. Cool, that's where I want to go. Alright, you see mine automatically fills, but if it didn't, you might have to click this login button. That just brings you to this page. Let's see login. Okay, the first block. Let's erase all this so you can see what it looks like when you first get here. Alright, so the first box is the account ID. That's our school, Appalachia. Then your username is going to be the username that I gave you, whatever it is, okay? And so mine is petmickey.student because this is my student account. Obviously I had other ones that you saw there. The point is, it's probably going to be your first name dot last name. And then password, I'm not going to show you that because, yeah. And login. Said login. Thank you. Alright, when you log in, this is your home page, okay? If you notice, you will have a bunch of different tests down here. You can join classes, take assessments, blah, 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 blah. When you first do this, you have to go in and hit join a class. Choose teacher. Oh, who do I want to join? Probably me. David Petmickey, choose class, second semester geometry, because that's where we are. Join class. Cool, I was already in it, so we're good. Alright, these are the tests you can take. You can read about what the test corrections are there, but this is the test where you want to be taking, okay? If you haven't taken it yet, it'll be here to take. I've taken it. I just clicked the answer, so I got some 16. That's okay, whatever. Alright, here's the important part. Alright, from here, let me go back actually. So say I wanted to begin one of these tests over here. Maybe the test corrections one. Click that, begin. Awesome, I'm in. Yeah, I'll do it. It's 20 questions, blah, 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 blah. Cool, I can go through. That's the definition line. So, yeah, that's what that transformation was. Yeah, that's how I can do it. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, doing the thing. So you're taking it, you're spending more time on it than I am because you're actually doing it, not just randomly clicking. Some things you can do. You scroll down to the bottom. This button, save for me to complete later. This is if, say, you have to go take a break, you gotta get lunch, you just need to switch because math is frying your brain, whatever. Save for me to complete later. Sure you want to save this activity? Okay. Yeah. Saving, saving, saving. Awesome. Saving, you can access it for up to a month. Now you can go back in and go wherever you want. Cool. If you notice now it says continue here instead of begin. Okay? That's important. If I try to begin a different test, okay, oh, you also have a complete save test up here. If I try to begin a different test, it's going to pop up and say, oh, I can just do it. Let's see if this works. Can you save multiple tests at once? I'm sorry, y'all. I thought this wasn't going to work this way. Save and complete later. Okay. Oh yeah, you can save multiple tests. Awesome. So now I can go back in and continue these two things. And so anyways, long story short, you keep going, you finish it, everything's good. Alright, now let's say you finished this first assignment, this GSC geometry. You got a grade on it, you retried it. After you finish the test, there's a retry button. It'll say, do you want to retry now? You say, yes, I want to retry now. And you can ask questions about the problems, you can email me, you can look them up, you can use your acquaintances, whatever we're trying to learn here. Okay? Anyways, you retried, you did better the second time, but it's not as good as you want to. Okay, here's what you do now. What you're going to do is you're going to come in and click View on the test. So View. And then from here, this is all the test answers. And I can go in and view, like, all right, Pentagon is cut a show. Look at the question like, oh, it's a pentagon. Of course, because it's a pentagonal pyramid. I should have known that. Oops. Oh, well. Whatever. The important thing here, what we're going to have to do, is we're going to have to come up here and click View by Element. Okay? When we hit View by Element, it pops up, and it tells us all the different standards that this test had, and what the different, all the different standards we had. And we're going to click this purple exclamation point. Alright? When we click that, remediation, meaning we didn't do as great as we wanted to. So I'm going to hit watch video mini lesson. Cool. This is the page we want to get to. Okay, this is our dot page. Basically what this is this tells us how good we did on the assignment. Okay, I knew rotations reflection right off the bat. Okay, I got that. I got agreeing on it. Okay, here are all the ones I didn't do well in. Your job, your assignment, is to turn 3 of these purple dots into green dots. Okay, and so like right now, or yellow stars. Green dots or yellow stars. So congruence or rigid rigid motion, excuse me. I have a purple on it. I want to turn that purple into a green. So what it's going to do is I'm going to click this, and I'm going to have to go in and complete these sections. All right, I have to do the 4 videos. I have to do some vocabulary, some questions and performance tests. The videos, you have to watch the full video before you can answer the question, so I'm not going to click on that. But say I wanted to start with vocabulary. All right, let's complete a random or advanced set to achieve mastery. Okay, cool. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. Maybe I'll go straight into random. If you need help with it, you want to work your way up to it, maybe you go to beginner first. Up to you. All right, so I'm going to hit random. It's going to be some random vocabulary. Choose teacher. Who's your teacher? Choose class. What class are you in? Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Begin. All right, a blank of the plane is a transformation which shifts all points in the plane figure without alternating the shape of the figure. Blank of the plane is it shifts all points. All right, shifting is translation. Hopefully. Hey, I got it right. And you go through and you do this. Transformation. Darn, I got this one wrong. These. I don't know. I'm not really reading the question. Darn, I got it wrong. You go through and you try to get it right. And lo and behold, I got... It'll pop up and ask you want to retry. If you know you can get them the next time, you can try to retry them. No, I don't want to retry right now. Okay. So I only got 1 out of 5. Cool. What do you want to do now after you do the vocab practice is go back up here and go back to practice. Okay. As you can see, my dot didn't improve because I only got a 20 on it. Okay. As I complete these things and as I get a high enough score, this dot's going to turn into a green dot. Okay. A green dot is above an 85%. If you're really struggling with it, you can hit best practice score instead of all completed activities. But we want to try to do it with all completed activities. Then if we can't, then we'll hit best practice score. All right. Once we go through and complete all this, this dot will turn into a green dot, and then that is us completing the assignment. That is us going through, showing we learned this, we relearned it, the videos helped us out. That is our assignment. Okay. I feel like there might have been some things I missed. Hopefully I didn't. If you have any questions about this, let me know. I'm trying to help y'all out this. I'm going to be here all day today until like 3-ish, and then I might get on later tonight around like, let's say 9. I might get on at 9 tonight for you to come in and get assistance. Okay, so if you can't make it before 3, you come on tonight after 9. And yeah, that is our assignment for the next few days. Let's have 3 dots completed by Tuesday. Oh, last thing. Do not do the dots that are, let's see here, which dots do we not want to do? We don't want to find the point. Okay. We don't want to use coordinates for perimeter and area. And we don't want to do any of the statistics and probability ones. Okay, so don't do any of those 4 standards because we haven't learned those yet. And I know that the test had some things you didn't learn on. I'm going to curve the test. It's going to be all right. The test, we're not putting the straight grade into the grade book. We're going to, if you do the work, this is going to help you. All right. Yeah. So that's it. If you have questions, email me, post on the classroom, whatever. Figure out a way to contact me. Figure out a way to contact your friends. Let's figure this out. And yeah, keep doing what you're doing. And yeah. All right. Adios.